There's a huge fila over here.
Picture ko nga siya. Lalabas pa yan?
I see Celine. She wants to mix to Clyde.
She wants to conquer me.
Oo. We have to wait. We have to wait for the elevator. Heart illness. You can't enter, right?
If you are pregnant, you cannot enter also.
Oy, si pregnant ka daw. Sinong pregnant?
Ito, ang bilat niya.
Uy, grabe ka. Sige. Ready, guys? Yeah. Bye-bye, go. One of the adrenaline ride. Right, girls?
Yes.
Excited?
Not so much. Are you confident enough?
I have confidence. I have to fix my head like this.
Oh, good.
My ears.
And my ears.
Hindi nga, takot ka nga.
Takot ako.
Takot ka?
Hinignan mo niya.
Butchers, oh. Mga ano,
This one
mga...
is so boring.
Oo, mga 80s. Yung mga 80s. No, 80s, 90s pala.
Ayan o, ayan o. Mabalok. Wow. Nanay, hindi ko pinabayo. Yay! Grabe ka ba ko? Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Yeah! Woo! This is Tornado! Conquer your fears!
How goodness smooth. Look at my hair.
God,
But who cares?
We just got here. What? We just got here in the nearest restaurant. So I'm going down. Baba ako, tatakotin ko itong mga bata. Yok! Andre!
Bilhin mi sa train. Hindi ay mao. Gigukod na mong train ba? Para sa'yo may guli.
Translation.
Paano ba rin-translate?
Ano na lang tagal? Nandito kami sa train. Laki ko sa
Parang kang balot.
Masyado kami excited. Bakit para kung may kalas? So kami nagkakapi.
Isang word. Ayan, nakabalik na kami ng Milan.
We are so low battery.
Very low bat. This is already, yes, this is already Milan. Yeah, we're so low ba. Now, where are we going now? We're gonna go home, right?
No, not yet.
We're gonna have
Take a coffee.
yeah, coffee
break.
muna.
Coffee
Yes.
break, please.
Oo.